Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to AppSec Online Support Program, Class 1, Week 13. The subject is Integrated Studies, textbook Stepping Stones 1, page number 63 till 65, chapter number 4, topic Kinds of Animals. Resources required, laptop, computer, cell phones and textbook. Introduction of the lesson. There is a huge variety of animals in the world. They differ in size, eating habits, and living places. They also differ in their behavior. Some are human friendly, while some are furious. Thought of the day: work hard in silence, let success make the noise. Objective: students will be able to identify the different kinds of animals. Success criteria: keeping in view the mentioned topic, listen, understand and answer the questions. Kinds of animals. Critical thinking questions. So the students, you have to think about the answers of the questions. Questions are: what are animals? Think about the answer. Yes, animals are living things. Our next question is: what do animals need to stay alive? Yes, animals need air, water and food to stay alive. Our last question is: what are the kinds of animals? Yes, some animals are big, some animals are small, and some animals are very small. Some animals are wild, and some animals are pet. Kinds of animals. There are many kinds of animals around us. They live in different places, eat different food, and move differently. For example, tiger. Where does tiger live? Tiger lives in cave or in the forest. What does tiger eat? Tiger eats other animals or meat. Cow. Where does cow live? Cow lives in the farm. What does cow eat? Cow eats grass and leaves. Birds. Where do birds live? Birds live in the nest. What do birds eat? Birds eat grain and insects. Some animals are big. For example, horse, giraffe, lion and the elephant. These are the big animals. Do you know, students, the blue whale is the largest animal on earth. A normal size whale could be as long as the length of 3 school buses put together. Look at this picture. It's a whale. Some animals are small. For example, cat, rabbit, dog and the rat. These animals are small. Some animals are very small. For example, ant, mosquito, housefly and grasshopper. These are the very small animals. Do you know insects have 6 legs? Many insects also have 4 wings to fly with. A butterfly is an insect. It has 4 wings. Look at this picture. It's a butterfly. Some animals have 4 legs and a tail. Most of these animals can run fast. Some animals like the kangaroo hop. For example, deer, dog, kangaroo and cheetah. Do you know snake and worms have no legs at all? They have a long tube-like body. They crawl on the ground. Look at these pictures. It's a snake, it's worm. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Wings help them to fly. They have a beak to eat food. Their body covered with feathers. For example, parrot, sparrow, and peacock. Look at this picture. It's a fish. Fish also do not have legs. They have fins to swim in water. Now watch the video carefully.
Animals. Animals are all around us. There are big animals and there are small animals. There are different types of animals in the world. Sizes of animals. Animals may be big. Animals may be small. Let's look at some big animals. Elephant, lion, bear, giraffe. These are examples of big animals. Let's look at some small animals. Rabbit, cat, mouse, dog. These are all examples of small animals. Let's learn about types of animals. Mammals. Mammals have warm blood. They drink milk when they are young. They have hair on their bodies. Example, elephant, monkey, lion, cow. Humans are mammals too. Let's look at some pictures of mammals. Elephant, cow, human, monkey, lion, dog.
Recap. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned some animals are big, some animals are small, some animals are very small. A blue whale is the largest animal on earth. A butterfly is an insect. It has 4 wings. Some animals have 4 legs and a tail. Snake and worms have no legs at all. They crawl on the ground. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Fish also do not have legs. They have fins to swim in water. Activity. Guide the child to collect the pictures of different animals any 10 and paste on loose sheet. Write also the names of animals. Home assignment. Guide the child to do following question on loose sheet. Question number 1. Write names of animals having 4 legs, any 4. Question number 2. Which animals have 2 wings and 2 legs, any 2. Question number 3. Learn the following spellings of the words given below. Number A, animal. Number B, small. Number C, fins. Number D, wings. Number E, tail. So the student, you know, we have to speak truth all the time. We should not tell lie to anyone. Tell this message to your friends, to your sisters, and to your brothers. Thank you. Have a nice day.